Like hopefully we'll have big spaces in Hong Kong with lots of green that we can celebrate and dance, connecting again with each other and with nature, and that would be incredible.
大家好啊，我係葉子林，咁就喺嘉道理農場嘅高級永續農業主任嚟嘅。
我叫 Megan 啦，我而家喺 Hong Kong U 讀緊 Master in Buddhist Studies 啦。
My name is Rachelle doing the Expressive Arts Therapy program here at Hong Kong U.
咁就除咗喺農田管理之外咧，近呢幾年都會比較多係做一啲種植嘅課程工作啦，包括喺啲天台農圃咁樣啦。
曾經試過去泰國嗰度一啲 organic farm 度耕田，耕咗2個禮拜。
I have grew up in Africa, in South Africa, and I've always been very interested in nature and being exposed generally.
如果你話講天台種植嘅話咧，其實我覺得香港係發展係比較遲咗少少嘅。遲嘅少少嘅意思咧，就係一來就係嗰個意識啦，就或者係市民嗰個普及程度都未去到一個好高嘅水平。
大家對植物嘅了解或者對於大自然嘅了解其實都比較遠啦。咁我自己好環保嘅人嚟，咁我就覺得好多時候你同人講環保，啲人就會話你扯唔方便。
同埋呢樣嘢咧，就係好多時係個制度同埋前瞻性嘅設計啦。喺建築嗰邊嘅話咧，如果個天台佢本身嗰個，例如話喺個防滲漏啦，又或者係嗰個承托嗰度，佢本身冇一個計算嘅，咁就變咗你後期先想喺後邊加一個天台種植嘅話咧，可能限制就好大。
And the people and the needs are different, and understanding the needs of the people and what is important to them is one of the things to pay attention to.
亦都係香港嘅人口密度高，所以如果啲天台農圃係發揮到一啲教育或者康樂嘅用途，老黃瓜嘅話咧，咁你照住就 O cucumber 啦，老黃瓜係啦，因為佢交通比較方便啊，有時會比一啲鄉郊嘅農場咧，有時佢會有更加大嘅優勢咯。
譬如我有啲朋友佢哋又喺新界租到成塊田嘅，咁佢哋成日都邀請我過去幫佢耕田嘅，但係太遠啦實在。咁所以如果你話香港嘅 rooftop farming 可以普及化，甚至乎嗰啲係任何一個地區大家有興趣嘅都揾到一個咁樣嘅地方俾你去練又好，你去自己去種一啲可以農作物可以自己收成自己食又好，係咯，我都覺得係一件好事。
What I've seen happening in COVID that we really need more green and blue spaces to connect with is really great, not only for your physical health, also for your mental health. So if I am able to apply this, I would be able to also teach my kids. That's an important part for me. Understanding things a little bit deeper definitely makes a difference.